Wipe down the bumper with your prep solution. Don't forget to clean the edges. You can wrap your squeegee in a microfiber to get in the crevices easier. Open the frunk for easier access to the edges. Place the piece on the bumper and roughly align it. Once you're comfortable with the placement, put magnets on the right side to hold it in place. Remove the backing paper from the left side and align the top corners and press down. The cuts in the vinyl should align right to the top where it will later fold over. Keep an eye on the rest of the piece when you're aligning and adjust as necessary. Align the bottom left corner too. Notice that the vinyl is cut to go around the bottom corner seals. Once the left side is completely down, align the right top corner with the notch and press down that body line. Once everything is in place, squeegee down the middle, separating the area horizontally. Squeegee up, first, then down. Don't fold over the edges yet, as we'll do that last. Peel the middle section of backing paper off. Align the right top corner to the edge of that notch, just like you did on the other side, and place magnets to hold it in place. Go back to the left body line and squeegee that down. Then, squeegee horizontally down the front of the bumper. Squeegee from the middle down and then up. It doesn't matter if you start with top or bottom, as long as you start from the middle and go out to the edges. If you have any wrinkles, peel the vinyl up to it, heat to reset, and squeegee back down. Once the middle is down, peel the remaining backing paper off and align the corners with the notches. Press down the body line first. Squeegee this piece the same way, down the middle, then up and down. Post-heat the surface of the bumper using your heat gun and wrap glove, making sure all bubbles are out. Finally, heat all edges and slowly roll the vinyl over with your gloved fingers. Use your squeegee and wrap sticks to better tuck hard to reach places. Open the frunk for better access. Make sure you tuck underneath all seals as well. Once that's complete, do one last inspection and you're good to move on.